This is why you need to meet someone new from a place you never imagined. Arjun, a 17-year-old from Delhi, chills on a park bench, headphones hanging around his neck. Then a boy sits next to him and quietly says, "I'm Minjun from Humhung NK." Arjun's eyes widen. "NK? No way! What's life like over there?" Minjun sighs. "Strict, controlled, no internet, no foreign music. We wake up to speeches from the leader." Arjun leans back. "Whoa, I was just scrolling memes this morning. We complain about Wi-Fi speeds." Minjun gives a small, careful smile. "You're lucky. We dream quietly." After a pause, Arjun asks, "What do you dream about?" Minjun looks thoughtful. "To see the world, to choose for myself." Arjun pats his shoulder gently. "Someday you will. And when that happens, I'll take you for Pani Puri in a Bollywood movie." Minjun's face lights up with a genuine smile. Deal. Narration. Behind borders and ideologies are just people. Young hearts with dreams. What if we saw each other that way? This story is fictional, inspired by real people around the world, made for awareness, empathy, and understanding.